Today we're going to walk you through Facelift's new orbital pole. With unique oval sections and updated clamps and levers designed by our in-house team. They're currently available in both carbon fibre and hybrid material, ranging in lengths of 18, 22, 25 and 30 foot. Here are some of the key features. An oval ergonomic design for superior control and long-lasting performance. Updated clamps and levers, protecting bolts and ensuring quick adjustments with just one hand. Enhanced internal components that keep sections secure when in use and reduce wear. What's included? High quality oval carbon composite and hybrid sections, orbital clamps and a Euro thread insert, an anti-kink base cap for added durability. We add on optional extras such as pole pipe and a brush head to make this pole complete and ready to work. The orbital pole delivers superior grip, reduced wear and unmatched control. Purchase your orbital pole today at www.windowcleaningwarehouse.co.uk. Thanks for watching.